First and foremost, I want to say happy anniversary to PMA family and to the two masters, Master Anyad and Master Boggs. Happy anniversary to both of you. I wish you a happy and blessed relationship. Stay strong to us, PMA. And I would also like to thank Master Anyad for welcoming me into this agency from being a member to becoming an inviter and to becoming one of the agents. It has been an incredible journey. And thank you as well to all of my inviters for helping me grow this family. And lastly, I would like to express my gratitude to all of the members for staying. Let us stay together, earn together, and be happy together. Happy anniversary, PMA family.
Hi mga masters! Happy anniversary po sa ating lahat. Naway matagal pa po tayong magsama-sama and long live po sa ating agency. This is your Master Carol. God bless you all.
Hello po! Happy first anniversary po, Pride Master Agency. I'm so thankful and grateful po na napabilang sa agency na ito. Bilang isang nanay po na nasa bahay lang, malaking tulong po itong pagpopopo na wala naman pong inilalabas na pera pero po kumikita po ako. Thank you po sa inyo, superior, sa inyo po mga master. Thank you po. Happy first anniversary. More big win pa po sa ating lahat. Maraming salamat po. Happy first anniversary po ulit.